Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Playtex Diaper Genie Complete Diaper Pail, fully assembled, with odor lock technology, includes one pail, one refill, white. When you step on the release, the top pops completely off, and only two of the shaft thing that the diaper falls into opens. Has a double trap door that opens such that the second door buries the older diaper deeper into the genie. Diapers are constantly getting clogged in the middle part, doesn't seem like the doors open up wide enough. Also, with how many diapers baby produces daily, the bag is small, have to change it almost daily. So what's the point? A day of diapers sitting in the trash is not long enough for it to get stinky anyway. The only smell in his room is from the diaper he is wearing. Never worry about the pail. One of the best features is the way you remove the diapers and tie off the bag. Older diaper genies open like a clamshell or Easter egg, and require quite a bit of space for the top half to fold up and over and behind the pail. This genie's mechanism allows the front of the pail to pull forward and out, cut the sleeve, and pull out without having to move the genie away from the wall. This allows it to tuck into a tight space more easily, and the pail can stay put against a wall or somewhere else while emptying. Our changing table is set up in a small walk-in closet, so space is tight. Our pail sits in a corner between the wall and changing table, and this genie works great for the tight space. It keeps the odor under control, and is very easy to change out the bag each week. Bought this to have in our living room at our little changing area for our newborn. Forget about when you actually have to open it to put a dirty diaper in. Do not buy if you are looking for a pail that actually contains the smell. Not only does it not contain the odors, but putting the briefs into the pail takes monumental effort. Then pull the more of the new bag down, tie a knot at the end, it's ready to go. Within the first 2 to 3 days, the clamshell, which is supposed to open and close as you press on the foot pedals, stop working. One side stays open all the time, and the other side, but remains closed all the time. Can't even smell foul odors when opening it to insert another diaper. Hands down the best diaper pail out there. Working fine. But this diaper pail is total watsy of money as it doesn't lock the smell. If you're thinking about buying it for yourself, don't. Having a new baby is hard enough without having stuff break. If you're thinking about buying it as a gift, only do it if the recipient has wronged you in some way, and you're seeking revenge. This new design is so bad. It has a significantly worse waft when you open close. The latch on the door button in front does not reliably secure after you change out the bag. It keeps the odor to a minimum. If you hold the door open too long, foul smells are going to come out. The first issue was the inner opening was off-center, so it would not close properly. The second issue, which is ongoing, is the blade that cuts. The blade does not cut well, which wastes valuable bag material. Even so, they do a good job keeping in the smell, and holds a lot of diapers. Totally wasted money on this, only to be upset and throw the diapers in a regular trash can. Keeping the door open while also trying to pull out the bag, cut it, and close it with a knot can be challenging, as the door doesn't stay open and keeps coming in the way. It doesn't hold nearly as many diapers before it needs to be emptied, and the way you have to take the diapers out to change the bag is awkward and inconvenient. It is nice not have to go downstairs to throw a dirty diaper out every time. However, since adult diapers are so much bulkier than babies, it would be great for babies. The new one has a better design to store against the wall, easier to access the garbage bag. Yes, it locks in the smell. The bag changes are a huge pain in the ass. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.